This video is brought to you by Social Learning through Low Carbon and Green Economy Opportunities in Climate Action, Slate, and our partners. In this video, we will be talking about green skills. At the end of this video, you'll be able to know what green skills is all about. You will get to know about green jobs and technologies, and how you can use them to improve our environment. So, let's dive into it. According to the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, green skills are the knowledge, habits, practices, values, and attitudes that are needed to live in, build, and support a sustainable and resource-efficient society. It is now important for both developed and developing countries to switch to more environmentally friendly ways of making and using things. What is green economy? According to UNEP, 2011, a green economy is an economy that improves people's well-being and reduces inequality over time without putting future generations at risk of serious environmental problems or ecological shortages. In simple words, we can say that a green economy has low carbon emissions, makes good use of resources, and includes everyone in all human activities. What are green jobs? According to Eurostat, 2009, green jobs are mostly related to the environment. They include all jobs that depend on the environment or are created, replaced, or redefined in terms of skill sets and work methods in a transition to greener. Green jobs, according to the International Labour Organization, ILO, are good jobs that help protect the environment and restore the ecological balance of nature. For example, a green job might involve reducing pollution and carbon emissions, working with renewable energy, and reducing waste. What are green skills? The term green skills refers to the set of competencies that promote environmentally responsible economic activity. Skills in areas such as pollution abatement, waste management, environmentally responsible purchasing, energy generation and management, and so on. All phases of economic activity, from the primary to the secondary and the tertiary, must adhere to strict environmental standards. Raw materials and staple foods are examples of what are gathered by the primary sector of the economy. Some examples include farming, mining, logging, ranching, hunting, fishing, quarrying, and so on. The secondary economy processes the raw materials produced in the primary economy into the final products that people use every day. This industry encompasses the entire production, processing, and building processes. Those involved in the secondary sector include those in metalworking and smelting, automobile production, textile production, the chemical and engineering industries, aerospace manufacturing, energy utilities, breweries and bottlers, construction, shipbuilding, and more. The tertiary sector, also known as the service economy, is responsible for the distribution and retail of goods and services created in the secondary sector. These are sectors such as retail and wholesale trade, shipping and distribution, food service, administrative and clerical support, the media, travel and tourism, financial services, healthcare, and the law. Due to the scarcity of Earth's natural resources, it is crucial that the aforementioned economies adopt a sustainable path lest they jeopardize the well-being of future generations. Adopting the new green economy is practical if we want to create a society that is both resource-efficient and sustainable. Green economy is a new economic model that seeks development while also safeguarding the environment, while having green skills as its key drivers. Green economy is in tune with sustainability and sustainable development. Why sustainability? You might be wondering, what exactly is sustainability? According to the Brundtland Commission, sustainability is defined as the capacity to fulfill current demands without jeopardizing the ability to satisfy the needs of future generations. Production, transportation, electricity generation, building, etc. are all major contributors to global warming because of their impact on the environment. Since the middle of the 20th century, the observed warming has been primarily attributable to increasing emissions of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere due to human activities. Diseases, deaths, and mass relocation are all results of these unusually severe weather events. If we keep emitting greenhouse gases at our current rates, we could see a 2.6 to 4.8 degrees Celsius increase in global average temperatures by the year 2100. All over the world, people are experiencing the repercussions of climate change, which include higher average temperatures, more frequent heat waves and wildfires, a rise in sea levels that causes erosion and floods that destroy homes and businesses, and other similar disasters. For climate change to have minimal global consequences, a worldwide effort is needed to implement green economy processes that will likely result in net zero emissions of greenhouse gases. What is net zero? As a definition, net zero describes a situation in which no greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere while none are absorbed by the environment. When our contributions are equal to our losses, we have reached net zero, comparable to elementary mathematical operations such as adding and subtracting. But how can we make this happen? Green skills and technologies are the key to achieving this goal. What are green technologies? These are technologies that help to reverse the negative impacts of human explorative and exploitative activities in our environment. These green technologies are highly beneficial because they contribute in restoration, rejuvenation and maintenance of our ecosystem. We can also refer to them as clean technology, renewable technologies, eco-friendly technologies, climate-friendly solutions, etc. Benefits of green technology. 1. It minimizes environmental damage around us as it produces little or no greenhouse emissions. 2. It promotes a healthy and safe environment for all kinds of life, humans, animals and plants. 3. It conserves energy and natural resources such as water and so on. 4. It should encourage the usage of renewable resources. Environmentally friendly technologies aim to lessen society's reliance on non-renewable energy sources, waste creation, and energy consumption. Additionally, it encourages the reuse and recycling of many common items. In addition, we can do our part by reusing plastic bags and avoiding the landfill by switching to renewable energy sources like wind, water, solar, biofuel, and wastewater. The Global Green Skills Report 2022, LinkedIn Economic Graph, informed that the hiring balance shifted toward green talent, as the green hiring rate outpaced the total hiring rate in most economies across the world. This indicates that green employees were employed at a higher rate than non-green workers throughout the world. After the pandemic, green skills are shown to be more resilient to economic downturns than non-green skills. Currently, there is a growing demand for skills that are economically and environmentally sustainable. The table below shows the fastest growing green skills between 2016 to 2021. The demand for green technology develops when our natural endowments are depleting and pollution grows as a result of the extensive usage of non-renewable resources like crude oil, natural gas and coal. This brings us to definition of some terms such as 1. Green jobs are ones that cannot be performed without a thorough understanding of green skills. 2. Greening jobs can be done without green talents, although they usually require some upskilling. Greening potential jobs can be accomplished without green talents, but may require some level of green skills on occasion. The tables in the next few slides show some fastest growing green and greening jobs globally. Also, the tables in the next slides show us some emerging green jobs and their functions. And finally, let's look at the tables in the next few slides that showed us what each sectors can do to aid green skill.